With Valentine's Day being right around the corner, you might be looking to impress a special someone with your Spanish skills and confess your love this year to them in Spanish. So in today's video, we're going to talk about 8 different ways that you can express your love to someone in Spanish, starting with the least affectionate and working our way up to the most affectionate way. So let's start with number 8, which is me gustas. Me gustas is like, I like you, I'm attracted to you, but you really haven't passed that love phase yet. This is great for someone that you might be dating or you're in that seeing each other type phase. Now, number 7, we have me encantas. Me encantas means I really like you. So if you're trying to get out of the situationship phase, you might want to start saying me encantas to push the relationship a little bit farther. Sirens in the background because we are in Argentina. Moving on to number 6, which I personally think is very sweet and it's very affectionate. And if you're looking for ways to show affection, maybe not love, but affection, we have at number 6, te adoro, which literally translates to I adore you, which I think personally is very sweet. It's very special. If you're trying to show more affection compared to just like versus love, I think this is great to throw in, especially if you're writing a card to someone in Spanish, throw in a te adoro. I think it's really sweet. Now at number 5, we have te quiero. So if you've looked up any ways to express love on the internet, on a YouTube video, whatever the case might be, you probably have seen the difference between te quiero versus te amo. Now te quiero you can still say to someone that you're serious about, but you can also say it to friends, family, someone you're personally close with that you might not be necessarily attracted to, and it means I love you, but it doesn't have that same feel as te amo does. However though, if you're looking to up the te quiero just a little bit, but you're not really at the te amo phase, don't worry, I have one for you. You can spice up te quiero with te quiero con todo mi corazón, which literally, if you are trying to express someone and you're trying to express your love, but you are not quite at the I love you phase, this is key. If you're trying to push the relationship farther, if you want to give a hint that you're really ready to solidify this relationship, put it into the serious phase, add a label to something, this just might be your trick to doing that. Now at number 3, we have te amo, which if you are trying to express your love and add in the L word to your relationship, if you're ready to say te amo, it means you love someone and it's primarily used with someone that you're in a relationship with, that you're really attracted to, not necessarily your friends or your family. I hope not. Now, if you're watching this video and you're an English speaker, you know that there's a difference between I love you and I'm in love with you. And that's our number 2 phrase, which is estoy enamorado or enamorada de ti, which literally translates to I'm in love with you, which might just be what you want to express to someone for the very first time on Valentine's Day. Estoy enamorada or estoy enamorado de ti is not our number 1 because, in my opinion, there is something of a higher value that you can say to someone if you want to confess your love this Valentine's Day in Spanish, which is eres el amor de mi vida, which translates to you are the love of my life. This one combines the love that you want to express someone with affection, which I feel is like everything that you want to express on Valentine's Day. You want to express that love, but you also want to express and romantic side of you as well. Those are 8 simple ways to confess your love to someone this Valentine's Day. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe and stick around, and I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao!